Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Varsha and in today's video I am going to show the step-by-step process of filling the CA exam form, that is the Chartered Accountancy Examinations. So first of all, on Google Chrome you have to type icaiexam.icai.org, and then the first website that appears will be this. So this is the interface, this is the dashboard home page. As you can see, for November 20 exams, the start date is 5 August and the last date is 25th August without late fees and 4th September with late fees. And then you can see the FAQs from here. Some useful links are also provided like Cloud Campus, CDS Portal Student section. So first of all, you have to log in using your user ID and password. Then this interface will appear. Here your details will be shown: name, registration number, exam, primary email ID, secondary email ID. You can view profile from here. You can edit also, change password, primary mail ID and change mobile number. Here you have to apply. If you are doing it for the first time, apply option will be shown. Since I have already done it previously, so edit option is shown here. So you have to edit it and you have to click OK. You have to keep all these documents ready, that is the declaration or the certificate of service, attestations, bank details, and you have to read and understand the guidance notes. Okay. It is mandatory to complete advanced ICAI SS course. So make sure that you have completed it. Here the exam form will be shown. First of all, the registration number is given. Then you have to opt the medium, suppose English. Region of exam center, that is whether you are in northern, southern, western, eastern or central. Suppose central region. Name of the examination center, you have to select your city. Then zones covered will be shown here like this, so you can verify it. Groups applied, suppose first group. This old article registration number need not to be entered. This is irrelevant. Enter only if it is applicable. Initial date of registration, that is the date which is entered in the registration letter which is issued by BOS portal of ICAI. So please carry this letter if you are going to the MP Online or any other place to fill the exam form. Ensure that you fill it correctly. Then you have to enter a PIN number which you will have to remember when you will take out the admit card. So suppose we enter 1234. Write it somewhere so that you don't forget it. Then enter the articleship status, that is whether it is completed or not. So if you are in the last 6 months, you have to select not completed, and if you have completed the 3 years of articleship, then select completed. Enter the initial date of commencement of articleship, and then you have to enter the completion date. Remember that the leaves should be included in this period. If you have taken excess leaves, your articleship period gets extended. Enter your principal's details. Then you have to upload a declaration certificate. You can read from here what is this. So this is the declaration that you have completed your articleship, or if you have not completed, you are in the last 6 months of your articleship, and certain specifications are given that it should be 100 to 300 KB, 200 DPI resolution. So keep it ready before filling the form. You can see this is the certificate of service for candidates who are going to complete their articleship on or before 31st October 2020. Fill it correctly, get it attested, scan it and then upload it. Similarly, if you have completed, the certificate of service seems like this. Fill it and you can upload it. After uploading it, you have to enter your advanced ICAIT-SS course and advanced IT test details, whether you have completed it. So yes, and I declare that I have completed this course and that you are eligible for the November 20 exam. Details for determining eligibility. So select the category which is applicable to you. Category 1 is for the intermediate students who have completed their articleship or serving last 6 months. Category 2 for PE2. Category 3 for converted. Category 4 for IPCC. So enter as per your applicable course, like suppose IPCC completed 3 years of articleship. Then you have to enter your IPCC details, that is the passing details, group 1 exam that you have passed. So IPCC, which is your month, whether it is May or November, then the year, and then the roll number. Similarly for the group 2 also, you have to enter the month, year and roll number. So keep these things ready before you proceed. If you have appeared for the final exam, enter the details here. So if you will tick, this will be applicable, year, roll number and the result, whether it is passed, failed, withheld, cancelled, passed group 1, group 2. Then you have to enter your exemption details if any. This is for the appearance and this is the passing details and these are the exemption details. So enter your details here. You can deselect from here. After doing all this, you have to save and preview since all the details are not entered right now. So it will show like this. One or more errors found in page. Please enter roll number of exemption secured in IPCC or other exam. Enter it first and then proceed. After entering all the details, you have to save and preview. Then the preview will be shown. Check all the details. The fees for one group of CA final is 1800 and for both groups is 3300. For IPCC and foundation it is 1500 for one group. So this is a declaration. Since the fees I have already paid for May 20 exam, so it is adjusted here and the fees payable is 0. This is only a preview of your application for final. This should not be sent to ICAI. Then if there are any correction or changes, we can click on the back to form button at the bottom, and if the details are correct, select I agree, then select final submit to submit the application. Once you are done with all the details, click on I agree and then here final submit. Then you have to submit the fees. Okay, so you can see it has been successfully submitted. If you have already paid the exam fees in May 20, then no fees will be payable. Now you can go to dashboard and download the PDF. You can download the PDF from here. Open it and check all the details. Then before the exam, download the admit card and carry it to the exam center. You can see the exam form for November 20 is filled. After filling the exam form, you can check the status from here. Here you have to select check your payment or exam application status. Enter the examination registration number or the barcode. Then check status. So you can see the transaction status is successful. date of application is showing up, and transaction reference number is given, it is already paid. So application status successful. So no fees need to be paid if you have already registered yourself for the May 20 examinations. You can also read the FAQs from here, and you can also download the certificate of service from here, whether it is for intermediate, foundation or final exam. For foundation, you can download the declaration format from here. Fee structure is given here, and these are FAQs. If PDF is not generated, then you need to click here. So you can check the status on the link that is given here. You can also get a help on how to register from here. Go to help. Here a chart is given. You can go through it to understand the procedure. Specimen copies of answer books you can get from here, and attendance registers. These are also certain FAQs. You can read them if you have this problem. This is the announcement regarding difficulties on online submission of request for verification or certified copies.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel for more such useful videos.